Welcome to my channel, Mainframe Concepts, where we talk about mainframe concepts. Today we are going to talk about replaying keystrokes on an X3270 emulator that we can use for automated testing and for repeated tasks while connected to the mainframe. The normal way to log in to the mainframe is using the X3270 command, X3270 local host, and then the port number. And here you will see this screen coming up, and we enter our user ID and password, and we have the main screen. And from there we can do whatever we want. In this case, we want to look at the definition for that partition dataset, and then we want to edit this job and submit it. So here you see that the job has been submitted, and we can actually go into the output and view the result. And once we view the result, we can exit from there and log off. We are going to replicate these keystrokes using X3270. To do this, we will be using an option in X3270. If we list all the options that are available on X3270, there's an option called script port. And what this option does is it allows us to enter keystrokes or enter commands that will manipulate the 3270 session. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to put in X3270 minus script port, and we choose a number. The number that we have chosen is 3277, and then we're going to log on to the local host on port 3278. So here is a normal screen from the mainframe once you connect. And what we're going to do is we're going to start another telnet session and connect to this 3270 screen. We will be entering the command directly on this telnet session, and you can see that it controls the screen as you enter them. So now we are going to capture all these commands that we have entered, and we're going to save them onto a text file. So we're going to copy the whole thing that was displayed on the screen, and we're going to remove all those responses from the 3270. And we will be executing specific Linux commands to filter out those responses from the file, and we're going to write the remaining records out to a file that we can use. Now we're going to get the result, and what we're going to do now is to add a wait statement after every enter. The reason for that is that there are times when the response is too slow, and putting these commands after every enter without waiting for a response will cause the entry and the screen to be unsynchronized. We're adding these wait statements just to make sure that we have sufficient wait, that the keystrokes are sent when we are expecting the screen to respond. Now we have all those scripts written, and now we're just correcting some of the commands. We have saved it, and we're just cleaning the output just to make sure that the script will work fine. Now we have three screens. One on top shows the commands and also the response. The one at the bottom is the script that's being executed, and fourth screen shows you the screen as it executes the commands. So there you have it. The script has finished execution, and if you notice, the keystrokes or the commands were executed similar to the way that we executed it earlier. Anyway, that's it for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe or put your comments below. Thank you.